Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can delete your information on officialusa.com. First, simply go to officialusa.com. Then, locate the U.S. Persons Index section and scroll down to the bottom. Click the letter of your last name to discover your listing. Search for your entire name. Click on your name if something matches. You might find one result under your name. These are some individuals who have the same name as yours. Take note of the URL of this page. Now go to the opt-out page. Fill out the opt-out form by providing your full name, email address, and paste the URL of your listing and your address. Click Next. Decide which listing on officialusa.com you want to delete. Then click Remove. That's it. Your data has been removed from officialusa.com website. If you would like to learn more on how we can help you with this, just visit us at DeleteMyInfo.com.